everyone, my name is Aga Tompkins and thanks for joining me for this New Year's extravaganza and learn how to do your makeup with this amazing palette. So today I'm doing a video on this makeup look with this NORVINA Vol.4 Pro Pigment palette. It is one of my favorite collections and I finally have the whole set. This is honestly like the most amazing shadows you will ever have. And I did a giveaway on 3 of these a while back and this is the last piece of the puzzle. And if you want to win it, check out this video and learn how. Bye. So first I'm gonna use this primer from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And you only need a little bit for reals. Do not put too much or you'll regret it. Now for the magic. I'm gonna try this B2 because it matches my dress. Now blend that out. Now I'm gonna use this E4 color, which is like a burgundy. This Anastasia brush is so convenient because you can pack on with this and blend out with this side. Love it. I got this with some sets they sent me a long time ago and I love them. Now I'm gonna use that rosy color, that B2 again, underneath. I always open my mouth when I do the bottoms and I then edit the videos and I look like all the time. And it's so awkward. I can't stop it. So I'm trying to consciously not do it, which is difficult. And then I'm gonna do the E4, which is the darker version, and just do here underneath. Now I'm gonna do C1, which is like a pinky, shimmery color. I'm using kind of a fluffy brush and just working my way up with it. I just added a little bit of that dark color to kind of go into the half. Not quite half, but almost. It's super hard doing makeup into this side mirror because then when I film later, I see like this eye is crooked from this side because I'm facing this way. Normally I do my makeup head on and I've been noticing it in a lot of my videos and I'm just like, oh, like afterwards when it's too late, I'm just like, I'm gonna edit them. What are you gonna do, you know? But since this is a new year, I'm starting fresh and I'm gonna try my best. I wonder if I could put this mirror in front or something, or do something. I need to do something. I don't know what to do. Maybe I could like stack some stuff in front of me and have my, I'm not sure, but I need to come up with a better solution. Let me try this. You guys don't know what's going on over here behind the scenes, but it's a mess. It's a mess down here. Maybe this will help me doing it this way. I forgot to put my ring on. Maybe I'll be able to get not crooked eyes. We'll see. Maybe that's better. We'll try this for a while and see what happens. Okay, so now I'm gonna take E3, which is like a glitter, like matches my dress. And I'm just gonna dab that right in the center. It's the centerpiece. Get it? Now I'm gonna use E2 and put it in the corners of my eyeballs. It's New Year's, we need glitter. Although I'm starting to realize I feel like I need glitter for every occasion, so does it count if you do it all the time? No, then it's not special, I guess. So, I don't know. I'm gonna do E1 right in the lower corner here. It's a little pinker, but I want that. Feeling good about it. I'm not sad about it. I'm actually gonna take that pink on a more poofy brush and just kind of go underneath like that. Like the smallest amount. Don't be going crazy. And that's that for shadows. NORVINA Pro Pigment Palette Volume 4. This is the newest one. I got all 3 of the first ones and then I waited to get this one, but I'm not sad that I got it. It's amazing. All right, I'm gonna do my lashes, my liner, and all the jazz, and I will be right back. And here is my finished look. I added actually a glittery liner. I ended up using this heavy metal from Urban Decay in the color Gunmetal, so that is what my eyeliner is made of. And then I ended up also using the Joyride from this cream liner set on my waterline, and then, you know, this is where the real magic happened with this. I didn't use that many colors today, although it's a lot for one look, which is something that I guess I always do. But I really had fun doing this look. I can't wait to try like some of these other color combinations. I've already used a lot of these, so I know I love them, but there's still a bunch that I need to check out. The palette is amazing. This whole line is amazing. And with that being said, one of you lucky people are going to win this baby, because when I ordered mine, I also ordered one to give away. So I have it here ready to go. Usually I feel like my giveaways take forever because of the fact that when I order them, I have to wait till they're physically in my hands before I pick the winner, because I feel nervous. Like I want to actually physically have the product in my hand so I know everything went well. And this time I actually already have the palette, which is awesome. Whoever wins this is a lucky dog. I think you will love this palette, and check out the rules below in the description box for what you need to do. 2 of the rules for sure are you need to be subscribed and do a comment telling me why you deserve this palette or want this palette or dream of this palette, whatever it may be. I would love to hear your guys' thoughts on this. I mean, just look at these gorgeous, gorgeous colors. They're really fun, and like pink tones and brown, beautiful browns, gorgeous glitters. And then this guy, man, this neon yellow is out of this world. So make sure to enter in the giveaway. I cannot wait to announce the winner. Good luck to you all, and thanks for joining me again while I do my glam. Hope you guys love this New Year's look. I wore my New Year's dress to fit the mood, and really though, this palette totally matches this mood. It's perfect. I've never worn this dress. I bought it like 2 years ago, and I don't know what happened, but this is my first time actually wearing it, and I cannot wait to wear it. I honestly think I might wear this on New Year's, just chilling with my husband at home, because we're not going anywhere. Thanks for joining me. Hope you have a great new year. Wishing you all the best wishes, and bye.